What are you looking to take away from class?
Excited to learn more.
So that's great to have you.
Thank you so much for having me.
I've been in this business for about 15 years. I have a small bespoke consultancy around measurement. I wrote all the algorithms. I sat down, wrote match market algorithms, and then I ran them, and then built the matched markets, and then designed the feasibility, and then all that stuff. Right? Fundamentally, it's about trying to understand and measure our ability to change human behavior, having them take an action. That's right. And human behavior is reasonably, complex to measure. It's not, obviously we can't perfectly understand why somebody make a decision.
You can present the best decision with the most data. And no matter what you do, that person who is making that final decision may not always agree, may not always say yes. And it's just something that either, number one, you have to accept and say, okay, and that's fine. I will continue to try to test it again and continue to prove my point.
You have to, when you see that insight, you have to know where you've been, obviously. So you have to have the data points from the past, and then you have to know what's changed. And that could be something in the platform that you're using, or that could be your customer base. Because we'll often say that doesn't make sense. That's not our customer. Well, your customer may have changed. So you have to be asking yourself that question. Doing your best to think about what the customer wants, what's going to make their not just decision to buy, but their experience with whatever it is you're selling better.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Madan.
Thanks, Madan.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.